news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. An encounter has broken out early this morning in Sopore in the Kashmir Valley. The firing started again at the site. Joint forces have cordoned off the area last evening. There were intelligence inputs confirming a terror hideout. During the search operation, terrorists were confirmed to be hiding in the area and opened fire, triggering a gunfight. Now, for now, the firing has stopped. We are told that it is because with the sunrise again, the firing started, and it is reflective of the situation that while a lot has changed in the Kashmir Valley, however, the terrorists sponsored by Pakistan have managed to, at least in some areas, are attempting to again disturb the situation. Sopore, remember, has been at once, as it was called, a terror hotbed. A lot changed, specifically in the past 5 to 6 years. However, now we are told that an encounter is currently taking place in the Kashmir Valley in Sopore. We'll try and ascertain more details. We are not putting out any detail that could hamper the operations. These are all deferred images on your screen. But it's a reminder of what Pakistan-sponsored jihadists intend to do. They do not want peace to return in the area. Also, for a background, Sopore was which was considered the area and stronghold of Hurriyat hardliner Saeed Ali Shah Gilani. Mir Farid joins me this morning. Farid, good morning. What is the status? What do you hear from Sopore? What is happening? Go ahead, please.
Good morning, Pooja. In fact, first light this morning, this gunfight has restarted. We reported late last night that this Gujarpatti, this is a village very close to the forest area in Sopore in North Kashmir. The security forces got the input that there is a Lashkar hideout in the area. And as the joint search party went in, they were greeted with gunfire. Late last night this happened, and encounter ensued. Though through the night, there was a lull, there was no fresh firefight. But this morning, first light, the encounter has again started. And we've been told that at least 2 to 3 could be holed up in this area. And operation is slightly tricky because, as I said, it's a forest area close to the village. And if these militants manage to slip into the forest area, the operation can get difficult for the security forces. So cordon has been tightened, and the effort is to pin them down there and end their resistance. Pooja?
All right, Farid will be tracking all the latest on that. And another encounter, and this, remember, has been while a dip in the attempts of these attacks by the terrorists, but it also means that the forces will have to be on a heightened alert regularly. Farid, thank you very much for now.